Ayan, again.
Ice cream
How you
yummy.
sing?
Ice cream good.
The pizza.
Ice cream pizza. Ice cream pizza. Ma,
Ah. Okay, what are you doing, Mason? What will you do?
to make pizza.
Oh, what's your ingredients?
I don't know.
This is pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza dough.
What's this?
Pizza dough.
What's this?
The brush. We're gonna use that to brush the sauce. Eto, what's this?
That's sauce.
This one.
Cheese.
The other one.
Cheese. Ham.
Ah, wow, you have a lot of cheese. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Wait, you're gonna spread the... This is the
Cheese.
butter.
Buttery.
Okay, oh. Wait,
Ma,
you use the spoon to spread the butter. Oh, what is this?
I don't know.
This is a brush.
Brush
Oh.
pizza.
You
Brush
spread the
and-
butter first.
Saan?
In the dough. Spread it. Careful.
No, Mina.
Ayusin mo. Bagal. Bagal. O, ano na? Hala, dinilaan mo yung butter? Again.
Good.
Go. The other one
taste,
naman.
taste.
I don't like. Ganun, oh. Spread it. And then the other one. Wait. Just the butter.
Ma, Mina.
Oh.
Ma,
Doon na. Oh. Bilisan mo kasi ang bagal mo eh. Ano yan? What are you doing?
I'm going to make. Ma, Janine!
Wow!
Ang galing.
Galing, Mason.
Look, Janine!
You add more. You add more. You get butter here and then add more there. Ganun.
Wow.
Spread it.
Sa.
Yan. On the other side naman.